Hey folks, Shane the Shark Man here, once again coming to you from Guarantee RV in Junction City. Today we're going to be looking at the Winnebago Forza. This is a 2020 model, and this thing is absolutely amazing. It's very nice. It's got the frameless windows on it, and they're all tinted. It's got 3 slides. One of them is about a 3/4 slide on the driver's side, just pops right out there and gives you all the room inside the coach. Tons of storage underneath, and wait till you see the coach. Like I say, when you see this coach and you hear the price, feeding frenzy. Again, Winnebago Forza 2020, lots of space. It's also got above the door directly, we have an awning with lights. Also, we have it above the slide rooms on the passenger side. Coming inside the coach, plush leather, very nice interior. It's got a really nice pop-up place where you can put your phone, you can charge your computer, charge your phone, whatever you need to do. And above it, you've got a bunk push button. One single push brings the bunk all the way down. You could either sleep up there, store gear, whichever. I mean, this thing is absolutely amazing. Going back into the coach, on the left-hand side, you've got a pair of recliners. Pretty nice. They're also, like I said, I don't know if I mentioned, this is in beige. Very nice, very light color. And on the right side of that, directly across from them, you'll have your nice big 40-inch TV. You also have a fireplace built in. It's got, like I said, it's got all the bells and whistles in this. Moving further back, you got your dinette bench on the left side of the coach, which also converts into a bed. Then you've got in the galley your double sink, very nice to have. And you also have your convection microwave and your cooktop, which also pops open, and you've got 3 burners in there. Moving further back, you've got a residential fridge, brushed chrome, very nice. You've got a control panel in the middle of the room here. Moving further back, you have tons of storage space, as well as a very large bathroom, lots of counter space. You've got one of the big, what they call fantastic fans above in the bathroom as well, which is going to be pretty handy, especially in the summertime. Then you've got a king-size bed in the bedroom, double lights underneath, so you can just reach up from your bed, turn on your night light. You've got a nice 36-inch TV across from that. And then on the left side of that, you've got an entire closet. It's almost as big as a walk-in closet. It's just a very nice coach. Also, directly across from the bed, which that's also a slide room, you've got mini drawers and lots of storage space. Hey guys, you got to come and see this coach. You deserve the coach. Safest way to travel nowadays. Just come see Shane the Shark Man. And I am at Guarantee RV in Junction City. They'll give you the contact information. We will see you soon. We'll have a cup of coffee. We'll have lunch. Whatever it takes, we'll talk turkey and make it work for you, because you absolutely deserve a beautiful coach like this.